Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Aguila Tutorial Videos. For today's video, ang isi-share ko naman sa inyo ay ang sign language ng time expressions. Time expressions. So, ano yung first word natin? So, first word is R. H-O-U-R. R. So, this is how we sign R. Yung open palm natin. So, dito nakaharap sa ating left side. Right side. So, yan. R. Initial letter H. R. So, ito yung imagine natin. Ito yung clock. So, ito yung initial letter H. R. R. Example, 1 hour. 1 hour. 2 hours. 3 hours. 4 hours. 5 hours. Next word is minutes. Minutes. M. Minutes. Minutes. So, ito yung ating initial letter M. Parang katulad sa R. So, ito, minutes. Minutes. For example, 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. Seconds. 20 seconds. This is the open palm, naka-face sa ating right, bandang right side. So, ito yung left hand natin. So, S hand. Let's form S hand. Seconds. 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 Example, 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Next is once, twice, and thrice. So, first is once. So, once. Once. Twice. Number 2, twice. Twice. Next is thrice. 3. Let's form number 3, then thrice. Let's do this like this. Thrice. Ayan. So, once, twice, thrice. Ayan. So, next word is morning. Morning. So, meron ito sa other video ko na greetings. So, ito yung good morning. So, yung morning, this is how we sign morning. Morning. Afternoon. 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 Then yung noon. 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 Evening. 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 Then yung midnight. 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 So, halimbawa, 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Ayan. Next is sunrise. Sunrise. So, ito, imagine ito yung araw. Ayan. Bukang liwayway. Bali, pasikat na araw. Ayan. Sunrise. Next is sunset. Dapit hapon. Opposite ng sunrise is sunset. Ayan, palubog na araw. Sunset. Sunset. Sunrise. Sunset. Ayan. Next is again. Again. So, ayan. Again. So, pareho lang din siya ng repeat. Pero initial letter R. R. Repeat. Repeat. So, this is again, this is the sign of repeat. Initial letter R. Repeat. Next is soon. 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 H hand. Let's form H hand. Ayan. Soon. 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 Next is early. Early. So, yung middle finger natin, itatouch lang itong palm natin na naka-palm in. So, yan. Early. 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 Opposite ng early is late. So, this one is late. Initial letter L. Ganito lang. Ayan. Late. So, yung L, ibigay lang natin sa baba. Late. Late. Next is later. Later. So, initial letter L, later. So, alalahanin natin na baka ma-confuse tayo. This is the sign late, and this is the sign of later. Later. Or mamaya. Later. Next is recently. This is the index finger. Ayan, recently. 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 Para siyang iaan lang natin sa cheeks natin. Recently. Next is weekends. So, initial letter W. Week. So, this is how we sign week. Weekends. Since ends is initial letter E, weekends. Weekends. So, merong other sign is this one. Week. Weekends. So, usually, ang sinisign ng weekends is week like this. Index finger. So, pwede rin initial letter W. Weekends. Weekends. Weekdays. So, ganun din. Initial letter W, week, then yung days. Initial letter D. Ayan, so, day. Weekdays. Weekdays. Ayan, next. Always. So, A hand, irarab lang natin sa ating cheeks. Always. Always. So, merong dalawang sign. First is always, then the second sign is always. Always. Ayan. Next is often or often. So, initial letter O. Ayan. Irarap din natin sa ating cheeks. Ayan, dito. Often or often. 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 Next is daily. Initial letter D. So, magpo-form tayo ng letter D. This is the sign of daily. 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 Next is today. This is the sign of today. Now and day. So, pinagsama siyang today. Today. So, imagine natin. So, yung now and day pinagsama. That is the form of today. Today. Okay, next is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Parang thumbs up. Yan. Gawa tayong thumbs up hand. Then, lagyan natin sa chin. Tomorrow. 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 Yesterday. Next word is yesterday. Initial letter Y. Sa chin. Then, sa balikat. Yan, sa shoulder. Chin. Shoulder. Yesterday. yesterday. Okay, next is present. 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 Ayan, this is the sign of present. Initial letter P. Present. Okay, present. Next is future. So, let's form F hand. Ayan, future. Sa hinaharap. Future. 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 Okay, next word is forever. Forever. So, kayo ba? I mean forever? Ayan, syempre ako, I mean forever. This is how we sign forever. So, index finger, let's form circle, then Y hand, forever. Index finger, Y hand, forever. Forever. Okay, next is everlasting. Ayan, parang forever. Everlasting, but let's form E hand. E, circular motion, then ganyan. Everlasting. Everlasting. Ayan. Next is before. So, ayan. Pound in, nakaharap sa ating body. Pound in. Before. 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 After. Malabas naman. After. 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 Okay. Next is never. 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 Para tayong magpo-form ng S hand. Never. Never. Next is next week. Next week or initial letter W. Next week. Next week. Okay, next is last week. So, last week, no. Last week. Okay. This is the sign of last week. Last week. Last week. Or last week. Meaning last week. Last week. Okay, next is season. 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 Next word, cold. 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 Summer. Summer. Summer, initial letter X. Then sa forehead, sa O. Summer. Summer. Next word is now. Now. Y hand. So, yan. Now. Now. The next word is year. So, how we sign year? This is how we sign year. Year. Ayan. Katulad kanina, nag-greet ako, Happy New Year. So, year. Year. So, new year. New year. Last year. Last year. Last year. So, yun lamang. Wala na. Okay, so thank you. Sana marami kayong natutunan at naintindihan niyo yung mga sign language sign expressions. So yan, kung meron pa yung suggestions or questions, clarifications, pwede kayong mag-comment sa comment box. Kung nagustuhan niyo, syempre don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At huwag kalimutan hit the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga next videos. Ayan. So thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video. Thank you. See you!